This is part 2 of our video, and here we will talk about business income.
So what is business income?
Generally speaking, business income includes money you earn from a trade, profession, manufacture, or any other activity you carry on for profit. You can sell products, services, or both. In all those cases, you have a business income that should be reported for tax purposes. On the other hand, if you receive a salary, for example, from your employer, this is not business income.
What if I occasionally receive money from my hobby?
Remember the words, any other activity you carry on for profit. In many cases, you must report money you make from your hobby as your business income by completing Form T2125, Statement of Business or Professional Activities, which is part of your personal tax return. On the other hand, in cases where you can clearly show that there was no reasonable expectation of profit from your activities, that money should not be reported as your business income. Of course, in that case, you're not allowed to deduct any related expenses. The CRA will often categorize your business as a hobby in case you consistently lose money. This whole issue is pretty complicated, so I would advise you to consult your accountant.
How about rental income?
Rental income is normally not considered to be business income and reported separately on your personal income tax return. But there are exceptions. For example, when you run a bed and breakfast business. As a rule of thumb, the more services you provide to your tenants, the more chances are that you run a business.
What about barter?
According to CRA, a barter transaction takes place when any two persons agree to an exchange of products or services, and they do so without using money. For example, I prepare a tax return for my client and he fixes my car. I didn't receive any money, but I still have to report as my business income the cash value of my services. I hope you will find this information useful. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions.